Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to partition Linux using different commands. Chapter 1. How to make partitions in Linux using CFDISK. To start, open the terminal in Linux. Next, run the lsblock command to list the drives and their current paths. Now run the on-screen command to access the desired drive path. There you will select the line with available space. At the bottom, select New. Pressing Enter defines the size of the partition and sets whether it is primary or extended. Again, select the free space. At the bottom, select New. Pressing Enter defines the size of the partition and sets whether it is primary or extended. Now you are going to select the last partition. At the bottom, select Type. In the drop-down list, select Linux Swap. Press Enter to confirm. To apply the changes at the bottom, select the right option. We write the word Yes and press Enter. Finally, click Exit to close the utility. Validate with the lsblock start command that the partitions have been created correctly. Chapter 2. How to partition Linux using FDISK. To start, open the terminal. Then, execute the command on the screen indicating the desired path. Now enter the letter G to assign a GPT tag. After this, enter N1 to create the partition and hit Enter. Then allocate the size of this partition. After this, enter N2 to create another partition. Hit Enter and assign the size of this partition. If we want to assign another partition, we repeat the process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can enter the command T3 to set a new partition type if you wish. To apply the changes, enter the double letters UQ. Chapter 3. How to partition Linux using MKFS. To start, open the terminal in Linux. List the disks with the lsblock command. Execute the command on the screen indicating the type of format and path of the disk. Confirm the process with the letter S. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.